Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Promise Say. Today we want to look at how to vote for your preferred Pi wallet. Okay, in my previous video I've explained the Pi network and all it entails, but there is still time. Now there is still a chance to opt in and mine the Pi coin. Okay, the Pi, as we discussed in my previous video, out in this month of December. All right, so right now the Pi is aiming towards the 100,000 pioneers. That is aiming towards the mainnet. So as it aims towards the mainnet, then the team has brought forward, all right, a survey, all right, on the wallet, the type of wallet, okay, to use. Now there are two types, the non-custodial and the custodial. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel to encourage my channel. Subscribe to this channel so you can get notification whenever I upload new videos, and like this video. Okay, so in my previous videos all about the Pi network, the mining is explained, so you can go right into my previous videos and watch to know how to mine, what to do to mine. Okay, so let's go right down into the survey. Now if you come into the survey, you can see option 1 is non-custodial and option 2 is custodial. Now in the custodial, they say I'll be solely responsible for my own private keys. This way I'll have full control of my Pi and other crypto assets in my wallet, and I'll be careful not to forget my keys and to keep them private so that I don't lose my assets. Now this is recommended. This is a recommended option by core team, but might be more complex to remember and secure keys. Now this is more or less like the blockchain where you keep your pass keys, your passwords, your private keys, and everything about your wallet, and once you lose it, you lose your wallet. Okay, so and for the custodial, which is option 2, my keys will be maintained by a third party so that I do not risk forgetting my private keys. Potentially more convenient but less secure. That is, in this way the team will have access to your keys. All right, so in case you lose it, it can be retrieved. Okay, but the thing is, there is no need the team keeping assets to that. It's personal now. The team keeping my details. All right, so whether recovery or not, it will not be okay for you to lose your keys. Okay, since I've been online, chains, wallets like this has ever been the non-custodial, where you keep your keys and when you lose them, you lose your wallet. I think that is the standard. Allowing admins or the team to have access to keys might not be too suiting and might not go down well for me. It's personal now. Okay, so I'll always be going for the non-custodial, which is the widely known option by me. It's still personal. Okay, so now we go into the survey. Starting with the survey, it starts, what type of Pi wallet would you prefer? And I'm saying I choose the non-custodial, where I will have access to my private keys. Okay, so if I lose my keys, yes, out of negligence, I lose my wallet, that's okay for me. Okay, so no need for a third party, no need for admin or the team having access to my details. No need. Okay, what's your experience? Okay, your experience with cryptocurrencies. Okay, do you own Bitcoin? Yes, I own Bitcoin. Do you own Ethereum? For now no. Okay, do you own a stable coin like, oh no. All right, do you have an account with crypto exchange? Yes. What country do you live in? Optional, but I live in Nigeria. My country, Nigeria. Sweet and lovely country, wonderful country. Okay, I said Nigeria. Lovely, wonderful country. I love Nigeria. Okay, so by this your survey is done, so you submit. All right, you can see here, thanks for answering. So we go back. So if you are still new to this channel, you've not subscribed, you're a visitor, please subscribe to this channel to get notification whenever I upload new videos. Okay, you can go down below, check my previous videos on how to get a Pi app, how to mine, and all there is still time, a chance for you to opt in and mine. Okay, the Pi is having a prospect. You can see the Pi has hit the 10 million pioneers and is going towards the mainnet. That is a win. That is a win for miners. That is a win for miners. Okay, as the Pi hit the 10, in fact, it gave hope. It will awaken the hope for miners. Okay, so you can see the prospect here. So I urge you to use the code displaying on your screen, the name displaying on your screen to join. Okay, you cannot join the Pi network without a referral. So use the referral code on your screen, displaying on your screen to join. All you need to do, go to the Google Play Store, download the Pi app, come in here, and at all times within an interval of 24 hours, you come in to hit this button. Within 3 days of hitting the button, that is 3 circles, you become let's go in there, a contributor. You become a contributor after 3 consecutive mining circles. All right, so it's pretty much explained in my previous video. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel to get notification whenever I upload videos. Okay, so until I come your way next time, I am Promise A. Okay, till I come your way next time, bye for now.